Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY gel manicure. Basically, I'm just going to walk you through the steps that I use and some of the products I use as well. First up, I'm going to be clipping down my nails and making sure the lengths are all even. Next, I'm going to be buffing my nails just to make sure the nail plate is smooth, and then it will also get rid of any sharp edges from clipping my nails. Next, I'm using a lint-free wipe with 100% acetone to get rid of any nail polish on my nails and then any oils on there too. Here I'm using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. Apply that to my cuticles and then push them back with the metal cuticle pusher. I typically just use this. I don't really like to clip them too much, but if there's any hangnails, then I'll use a cuticle clipper. And here I'm filing my nails again. I wasn't quite satisfied, so I used a nail file with a different grit. And here I'm putting on some Melody Susie UV protection gloves just to protect my hands while I'm using the UV light to cure my nails. Here I'm using the Moravan Nail Prep Dehydrator. This just makes sure there's nothing on your nails so all the oils are off, ready for the application of the primer and the gel polish. And this is the Moravan Acid-Free Primer. So this you apply on your nails, and this will leave a bit of a sticky coating on the top of your nails, and that's used to adhere to the gel polish. Here I'm using the Beetles Foundation Base Gel, and this is the first layer we will be curing under the UV lamp. And now we're curing in my Sun UV lamp, and we'll do this for about 60 to 120 seconds. So I've applied the base gel coat on my right hand, but I'm showing here the cleanup process. So if I get any excess gel on the side of my nails or on my skin, I'll just use a brush dipped in acetone just to remove any excess around my nails. And we have our OPI Gel Polish Nail Color, and this is in the color Bare My Soul. Definitely recommend for my brown and black girlies. It looks like the same color as my natural nails, and so great as a base in different manicures, and then if you just want a neutral color. And here I'm just going in with that acetone and angled brush again, just cleaning up the edges, and I did 2 coats of this color. Next I'm using the Beetles top coat just to seal in the color, and then we'll cure it for 60 to 120 seconds. And here we have the finished product, the OPI Bare My Soul, 2 coats of gel polish. And honestly, you could stop there, but I was just feeling like, I want a little pizzazz. So I took a couple different shades of some pink gel polishes I had. So I did like a light pink, a peachy pink, white, and just decided to make small hearts on my nails just to give it a little bit more of a design and a little bit more flavor. Now this is a lot of trial and error, so I just did 2 like dots with my dotting tool and then just pulled the 2 dots together with the edge of that tool because trying to draw out the full heart was very complicated. I added a magenta heart because I didn't have enough colors, but here I'm finishing off the look with the top coat. So I flash cured the hearts for about 15 seconds under the UV lamp, but now I'm putting on the Beetles top coat just one more time to make sure the design doesn't get like scratched off or rubbed away, and then I'll cure this top coat for another 60 to 120 seconds. And finally, we're going to be applying cuticle oil. I apply this to my nail beds and honestly just around my fingertips after all the acetone and curing of the nails, just to provide some moisture and nourishment back to the nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure to comment down below any questions you guys have, or if there's any parts you want more detailed instructions on, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! And good luck! See y'all next time!